once again. Oh, got a stomach cramp. We're gonna keep going though. Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Doing Stuff with Darnell, and I am Darnell. And today we got a solid one for you. We got a solid one in store for you. We are working on the core. We're gonna get our core tight. So I'm gonna show you my best tips and best core exercises, especially for beginners. This is for people that, you know, working out at home, or you just getting back in the gym and you wanna tighten up the core, because no matter what you think or what you believe, everyone have abs underneath whatever you're working with. So in order to, you know, get those abs to show, it's two things. You gotta strengthen them, tighten them up, and you have to eat right. Most of this aesthetic is just diet. It's what you eat. So I'm gonna show y'all how to strengthen them up. You can check out my other videos of how to eat right. I'm gonna put it like, where is it? It'll be right here, I guess. Right up there, so you can learn how to eat, what you should eat, what you shouldn't eat. Well, or what I eat and how I eat, I should say. But yeah, I'm about to head downstairs and show y'all my best ab tips to get right for the summer, because it is April right now, and actually it's 420. So after I hit some abs, I'm about to hit the. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding, but I am kidding. Yeah, so I'm about to hit downstairs and get these abs in. So come on, let's go. All right, my good people, we are in the gym. I got my mat. I'm about to show y'all my favorite and my best core workouts. So we're gonna start with Flutter Kicks. Flutter Kicks. Work on the low abdominals. You wanna you know, sit back, engage here, move the feet. So like this. I should turn this way, huh? Engage core. Head off the ground, move your feet. Try to go about 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it tight here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can even crisscross. 1, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, for that one, the lower you keep your feet, the harder it is. If you're high up here, not really doing that. Keep it right here, stay engaged here, and keep it moving. We're gonna hit that 3 more sets, then we're gonna move to the next one. We're gonna get 4 sets of each. 4 sets of each. Gonna be burning. If you can't do 4, 2 or 3 to do, but try to hit 4. Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage. 6, 7, 8. That was a good start. Make sure you get 4 sets. I'm not gonna show you all 4 sets because that'd be redundant. But yeah, you can do the scissors if you want to, but make sure your feet are low off the ground. It's just like a little flutter kick. We're gonna move on next to turtle shells. You ever seen a turtle on his back? It's pretty much what it is. Here we go. So, turtle on his back pretty much looks like this. Go this way. Once again, stay engaged here. Feet up, and you're tapping your heel. These are also called heel taps, turtle shells, whatever you want to call it. I always call them turtle shells because that's what I learned them by. So you want to here, arms out, and you're just tapping the back of your heels. Keep your feet low. I'm just showing you all my feet. So you want to do this 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep engaged here. Keep your head off the ground. I do this at least 3 to 4 times a week. Probably this same, these same workouts that I'm giving you, I do them all the time. Like, it's not, I would never advise anybody to do something that I wouldn't do. It's fun. It's not fun, I ain't gonna lie to you. These shits hurt, they hurt. But you get 4 sets of these or 3 sets or however many you want. You're gonna start feeling different, you're gonna start looking right. But I just said, this ain't doing nothing but tighten the abs. Everybody got abs. The fattest person you know have abdominals, muscles. They just not showing. So that part is that's when the kitchen comes. But we'll talk about that later. Like I said, I got a video, one left side, that right here. It's gonna be, you can check that out, or how I eat, what I do to keep healthy. But next set, here we go. 4 sets, 25. Tap your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we taking it old school, bicycles. Everybody know what bicycles are. Bicycle crunches. You go 25, 4 sets. Let's get straight into it. I don't have nothing to say about this. This is the classic. This is what everybody do first. Here we go. Just ride the bike. Fun fact, I don't know how to ride a bike. But I can do this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's go 4 sets today. Yeah, I don't know how to ride a bike. Never learned. Father wasn't in my life to teach me. Moms and grandmas and aunties, they was working. It was hard. Let me stop. Yeah, I don't know how to ride a bike, but that's not a reason. I just never interested me. But we back down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, my people. We got something that I like to call a Russian twist. Other people call it, I think everybody call it Russian twist, but I've heard people call it twist, crunch, twist, but it's a Russian twist. So you here, kind of like the turtle shells, but you're not all the way on your back. You engage it here, feet off the ground. Let me go this way. Feet off the ground, and you just hear 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you want to challenge yourself, you get a weight, and yeah, you get a weight, hold whatever you think is a good weight for you, and just twist with it. So we're gonna do this 4 more times at 15. I am already hurting, but here we go. This is for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just like the bicycles and the Russian twist, we keeping it simple, keeping it classic, keeping it easy, because what ain't broke don't need fixing. So don't try to fix what ain't broke, because it ain't broke, so you can't fix it. But we doing sit-ups. Easy, easy peasy. Feet planted on the ground. Arms against the chest, against the forehead, not behind the back. When most people behind the back, they just push their neck up. You're not doing nothing. At that point, you just practicing fellatio. So we going back this way. Do some sit-ups. Ready? Let's go. Set cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
4 sets of 15. Yeah, if you don't feel that by now, something's wrong with you. You're not human. But yeah, I'm not human, so I don't feel nothing. So we going back down. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, if you need somebody to hold your feet, just get a bench or something sturdy. Put your feet, lock your feet on the neck. It's all good. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, this one I hate. Side planks. Hate with a passion. I hate any plank with a passion, but it's good for these obliques. You can't forget about the obliques. A lot of people hold, you know, that muffin top? Yeah, that's that oblique. So you wanna get it. You wanna go sideways, feet out with this, with your arm that's, you know, planted on the mat or whatever. Lift up, hold. You don't wanna be too high, don't be too low. You wanna hold, stay planted. It's a plank. Be the plank. 30 seconds, let's go. You can always switch after 30. Let me turn my back to y'all, but just know I'm still here with y'all. 30, let's get it. So you want to do 30 seconds on each side 4 times. 30 seconds on each side 4 times. It's like 4 minutes. And this, it's easy. You do this after you work out, after you burn out, you know, at the end of the day. Always engage the abs. Make sure the abs are doing right, because a strong core can help with a lot of stuff. A strong core can help with a weak back, a weak butt, weak hamstrings. A strong core can like really, like if your knee's weak and you can't jump high, a strong core can almost, I ain't gonna say fix it, because it's not gonna fix it if you got weak knees, but you know, your core holds a lot of responsibility, and that's one of them. So it can relieve a lot of pressures that people have and pains that people have everywhere else if your core is tight. So make sure you hit that core. And we moving on to the last one. We got oblique bends, which might sound a little dangerous, but let me go get a weight. So for this one I had to stand. I'm sorry, I'm kind of far and it's a little dark. The lighting in here sucks, but you get a weight. I got 15s. I usually do 45s, but for demonstration purpose, and because I'm so tired right now, we're gonna do 5. So, I mean 15. Keep it by your side. You can either hand on the hip, hand on the head, and you wanna work your obliques. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 10 on each side. 4 sets. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Even exaggerated. 4, 5, 6. Get that pull. 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. You got 4 sets of those. I'm gonna take a break before I get into it. Show you from this side. Here we go. Let's get the last couple sets. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, there you have it. Those are my favorite ab movements, ab workouts, ab exercises, however you want to say it. Those are my favorite. Let me know, comment below. Let me know which one hurt the worst for you, because right now I'm hurting. Like my side, I caught a cramp. I'm gonna let y'all see it at the end of the video. But I caught a cramp and it almost took me out. So I did these at the gym, now I'm doing them again. So I'm doing a little overwork, but it's okay. It's okay. Make sure you get the right things in your body when you overworking your body. Make sure you get the right nutrients. Once again, it'll be, you know, something that you can eat that's good for you will be right here. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and like I said, comment, and we gonna get right for the summer. I promise you, we gonna get right. I will show you. No.